Hello kids, welcome to Tonton Kids channel. Today we are going to make the drawing of a rabbit, which is shown in the cartoon of Peppa Pig. So kids, let's start drawing straight lines. First start with the feet and gradually join all the lines. After that make its eyes. Now make the mouth. Now make its ears and tail. In this way, the shape of the face will be ready. Now we will start filling colors. First give skin color to its ears. Keep in mind that the color should not come out. Now slowly fill color in its face. Now we will complete the remaining area as well by coloring, for which we will first fill color inside the black marks. Now color his hands, then his feet and shoes with pink color. Fill his nose with pink color and his cheeks as well with pink color. Now it is the turn of his clothes. We will fill the color of the clothes with dark sky blue color. In this way, our drawing is getting ready. Tell me how it looks. If you like it, then like, subscribe and share it with your friends. To watch new videos like this, subscribe to our channel.